A breeze touched me just now. Moonlight has melted just now. A moment seems to have stopped just now. Da ka ji irin wannan yanayi, to ka waiwaya, akwai Nafisa. Your beauty is bright and warm, shining through the darkest storm. Idanuwanki sparking kamar star in the night. Idan aka shagala kallon su, sai a ji like soaring so high. Then in the spirit of benevolence, fuskarki is well balanced. Fina. Kyawawan idanuwanki da tausasan murmushinki that makes time slip by in aka shagala da kallon su. There are many sweet things in this universe, but none is more pleasing than seeing you. Wanda bai ganki ba, yayi asara. Wanda bai san ki ba, bai da nasara. Wanda bai saurare ki ba, da'iman bai san darajar zance ba. Are you thirsty? Come to Nafisa, the rivulet, the ocean of peace. Are you tense? Come to Fina, she will rain some roses, golds and diamonds. She will rain some canorous vices. She, Nafisa, will cheerfully hand you to the crown, a crown of love, peace and harmony.